Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
To demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here, but even if you have a different year, that same generation video may be helpful. We'll be working, guys, in the fuse box that's located right under the hood in the engine bay of your Ford F-150. When you open the hood, right above the radiator, you have a fuse box. When you open it, you will face it that way. These relays will be towards the back, towards the windshield. This is towards the front. Now, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really expensive at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price and quick shipping. Another thing, it's super important to test relays and fuses because otherwise you can just waste your time and money. So let's explain why.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we'll need to check will be, guys, in that fuse row right here of those J case fuses. You can see on the left side right here. So starting from the very left, if you come towards the very right, that 30 amp fuse, this 30 amp fuse is the one for the driver's seat, guys. That's the one for the driver's seat. Check that fuse, always test them because those are really hard to find out if they're burnt or not. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with finding the fuse for the driver's seat. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.